everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to be testing very affordable makeup. It's from a website called Miss A. I think it's in America, but I'm not too sure. I ordered this absolutely ages ago. It was actually before I even started YouTube that I ordered it, but it's finally arrived and I have a full face, so I thought it'd be a good idea to test it on camera just in case anyone wants to check it out. I'm praying that it's good stuff because everything on here is like £1. It's crazy. I'm not sure if they've got some strange ingredients in it, that's why they're cheap. I might look into it. So I spent £33.48 including £8 delivery. I got 20 items and it was shipped on the 10th of April, and then on the 5th of May I got a letter through my door saying that I owed £12 customs, so I had to pay the customs and then I got it 2 days later. With the makeup, shipping and the customs, it all came to £46. So if you do divide that by 20 just to see how much you're paying for each product, it only comes to about £2.30. So it's still really cheap makeup. So yeah, I'm hoping it's good, but let's get on to the video. So when I was on the website, a lot of things were out of stock, so I've got what I can. Still got quite a lot of good things, but the concealers were all out of stock in my shade. So I've got a colour corrector in the shade yellow called the Wonder Cover HD Concealer. So I'm going to put this on before I put the foundation on. I've already primed and moisturised just to give it a fair test. I'm just going to put it where I usually put my concealer anyway. First impressions, it's got a weird smell and it's really hard to get products out of the tube. Like, I keep having to go in and out of the tube. I hope this don't dry quick or this isn't going to blend. And then I got the Beauty Blender, pink one. This has actually doubled in size. It's actually crazy. So I'm going to blend it out quickly. Sorry about how crazy I look. I'm going to try this brush that I also bought from there to see if that helps blend it. Oh my god, I've ruined it already. I've just been blending this for about 5 minutes and it's just not moving. I've used setting spray and I hope this doesn't make the foundation look bad. I'm hoping the foundation comes through because on my nose I've got dry patches everywhere, which usually my normal foundation doesn't even show that. So I'm gonna quickly go in with the foundation. Fingers crossed it fixes it. So this is the foundation that I got. It's the AOA Studio Pro Wear Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Fair Ivory. Oh, look at that. Is that the applicator? I don't know what I'm doing. Is it? Oh, it's coming out. I'm just going to use my finger to put it all over my face. I'm going to do what I do with every single foundation and stipple it out first and see what happens. Looks quite nice. Don't think it's the right shade. I've put way too much on. Now I'm going to use this brush, which is one of theirs. It's the High Def Brush F3, I think. I'm going to try and help blend that in. I don't know if it's the brush or these products, but there's a smell coming from somewhere. This foundation is very yellow. Let's try and use the egg to blend it. Can you hear that? I'm really beating myself up with this. I don't think the ring light helps with the shade difference, but the foundation itself has blended in really nicely. It's quite matte. If you look up quite close, it does look quite cakey actually. It's not agreeing on my nose, but I don't know if that's because of the colour corrector. Just gonna conceal using my Tarte Shape Tape because I didn't get one from this website. This sponge isn't too bad either. It's not comparing to my Beauty Blender, but I definitely think if you don't want to fork out the money for a proper Beauty Blender, this is quite a good alternative. I'm gonna do my brows quickly because I look weird. This is the Amuse Cosmetics Matte Long Lasting Pro Eyebrow Pencil. Got mine in the shade Ash Blonde. It's quite a fat pencil. I'm going to brush through my eyebrows first. And then I'm going to use the pencil. That looks like quite a good colour. Looks like my kind of colour. Let's see what it's like. It's quite warm, this pencil. It's good though. It's got A good colour payoff. They're looking very warm, aren't they? This is the LA Colours contour stick in medium to contour. Okay, so it's like a pen. I've never used one like this before, so we'll see how it goes. The colour looks okay. Don't know where to start. I'm like, looks a bit warm, but we can work with it. Hope this blends out. Okay, I'm gonna blend this first because it's making me panic. That's blended really well. I actually really like that. It looks a bit cool once you blend it in. I feel like my forehead's looking ashy. Just gonna try and go in again because it's not done that much. Okay, it's definitely ashy. It doesn't look too bad on the cheeks though, just on my forehead. I don't know why, it's like it's changed colour. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Can you even tell? You can tell here. Before I powder, because I feel like this is going to go wrong, I got a gel liner. I've never used one of these before. I got mine in the shade Ganache. It's the AOA Studio Buttercream Gel Liner Shadow. Let's have a look. It's got flecks of glitter in it. I was going to use this as an eyeliner, but I've got no other eyeliner, so let's do it anyway. I'm just going to put a bit of bronzer through my crease before we put the eyeliner on. I have got lashes, so if the eyeliner goes wrong, we can just hide it with some lashes because one pair of these lashes are so long. Okay, I'm just going to go for it. Oh shit, it's so glittery. We can make it work, it's okay. You need quite a lot of product, it's not that pigmented. As you can see, it's not completely black. I think you're best to just press it on rather than draw it across. It's quite easy to apply. I just need to go over this flick again, so I'm hoping I don't bodge it up. It's very glittery. Okay, that's okay. Let's do the other eye. I can never do the second eye the same. That's as good as the wings are getting. To be fair, it's quite a good eyeliner. I found it quite easy to do. If all of these liners are glittery, I feel like for a festival it'd be really good. Now for powder, finally. This is a AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. As you can see, it's completely white. So I'm hoping I don't look like a ghost after this. I don't look ghosty. My nose is not happy with this makeup. That's not too bad. A powder's a powder. As I didn't get a bronzer, they was all out of stock, I'm just going to use my MAC one with a kabuki brush that I ordered. I don't actually own one of these. I don't know where all of mine have gone, but this is a Kyla Studio Master kabuki brush. Let's see how this is. Brush is quite nice. Okay, so I think I'm going to do lashes now just because I'm intrigued to see what they're going to look like. Just going to use a bit of this liner to go in my waterline. So I've got two pairs of lashes. It's really hard to pick lashes just when you're looking at pictures on the website. So one pair I did well. This is like a really wispy pair. This is the kind that I'd usually buy anyway. Does it say? Oh, Ilidia. That's the name of them, and these are Vanessa's, but they're very long. My eyes are way too small for these, so I don't think these will suit me. So we're going to try the wispy ones. We've also got some glue. This is supposed to be really good. It's a latex-free black brush-on glue. I'm hoping this is good because my duo one, I think it's not reacting very well with my eyes at the moment. So let's give this one a go. To say these was only £1? That is good going. Okay. I've never put lashes on camera before, so this could go very wrong. Okay, so I'm going to brush this on my lashes. I've never tried a black lash glue. I feel like it really makes sense. I don't know why I've never done it. Actually, I might do that thing where you draw the line on your eyes, like on TikTok. I'm going to try and draw it on my lash line. Well, that's very black compared to my not very black liner. I'm just going to waft these around for a bit. and then we'll stick them. They're on. What do we think? I'm gonna do the other eye now off camera. The second lash is on. I actually think, I know they don't look that great at the minute because I haven't got a full face of makeup on, like my dramatic makeup. They're really nice lashes. They're applied really nicely, and I really like the lash glue. For £1, that's incredible. So I am most happy with these at the moment. I'm gonna just put some Kiko mascara on my lashes to blend them in. Just opened the blusher. This is, oh fuck, the blush has gone everywhere, so hi mum if you're watching, I've made a mess on the carpet. This is the Lumi Radiant Blush by AOA Studio. It's like a baked blusher. It looks really pretty. Oh, that's bright. That is a really pretty colour though. We love a shimmery blush. Apart from the fact that I've applied way too much, that is cute. It's not too shimmery either. It's just like a nice glow. Should have put less on, but never mind. Now the highlighter I got is the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in Snap. First impressions, looks, you can't even see it. Looks quite dark, but we'll give it a go. It's not very pigmented. Put some on the inner corner. Okay, it's not very pigmented. You really have to work your brush into it. It's quite dark as well. I've just realised it's one of them highlighters where if you look straight on it gives like a cast. Not too sure about that one. So now to finish off the makeup look with lips, I got a lip gloss and a lip liner. So the lip liner is LA Colours lip pencil in Natural. So I'm gonna line my lips with this. That colour's really pretty. It's like a dusky pink colour. Really like that. Colour's really nice. First impressions of this gloss, it's so glittery. I mean, it's so pretty to look at. It's like a Barbie colour, but I'm not sure how nice it will look on me. It's in the shade Posh. It's the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss. So I'm gonna try it on my lips. Whoa. Why do I kind of love it? That is a really nice lip gloss. It don't feel tacky at all. And I'm quite liking that. So I'm going to give this a few hours on my face to see how well it lasts. Just to see if it separates or anything on the face. And I'll check back later. Hi, so it's been a few hours now. It's been about 4 or 5 hours. I've also done a workout in between, so the makeup has had a true test on its wear. As you can see, I mean, it's completely gone off my nose, but as you can see from everywhere else, it's actually lasted really well. All in all, with the makeup, the only thing I wouldn't use again is the colour corrector. I actually feel like I'd use the rest of it, so I definitely do recommend the website. To say everything was £1, it's crazy. Like I said, the colour corrector, I feel like it has ruined the makeup, but everything individually is actually really nice. Everything is definitely worth the money. I think my favourite thing is the eyelashes. They're just my kind of vibe, and for £1, I'm happy. So if I could just buy 20 pairs of those eyelashes, I probably would, to be fair. They're great for nights out. So thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe below, like, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.